Safety is central to every process we have today, with automation as well. In fact, there's many times that we get hired in to automate out the hazards from a process. Put in systems that will remove the operator from the line of fire, that will eliminate the dangers, that will protect both the operator and the existing equipment, as well as protecting the product. There's a safety concern with product as well. That's what we tend to call waste. We don't want our products to be damaged. So there's 3 levels of safety there. There's the personnel, there's the existing systems, operation and tooling, and then there's the product. Dynamic machine design, we look at all of these when we design our systems, and we do our failure mode effects analysis to determine what can go wrong, how it will go wrong, and how to mitigate those things. So when you're looking at your processes and you're seeing hazards to your operators, hazards to your equipment, hazards to your product, think dynamic machine design to help you automate safety into your process.